How to knit the slip purl through the back loop decrease, English style. For this tutorial, you will need a pair of knitting needles and a ball of yarn.
Special thanks to our sponsor Lion Brand for providing today's yarn. Today we are using their Superwash Merino Cashmere in the color Slate.
The slip purl through the back loop decrease is a method of decreasing two stitches by knitting or purling them together, and you would be decreasing on the wrong side of your fabric instead of the right side. Now this is going to create a left-leaning stitch if you knit right-handed, or a right-leaning stitch if you knit left-handed, and this complements the knit two together through the back loop. Or not complements, it's the same thing as knitting two together through the back loop. It complements the knit two together or purl two together. So for example, if you knit two together on your right side and needed to match or create a stitch that leans the other direction on your wrong side, then you would do the slip purl through the back loop. So let's show you how we do it. Okay, before we start, we're going to just work our pattern until we are one stitch in front of where we want to decrease, because we'll actually work that stitch into the next stitch, and that will be where our decrease is at. Okay, so we can see that I actually went too far. Alright, so we're going to be decreasing right here, and we're going to work this stitch with that stitch. Okay, step one, we're going to slip the first stitch on our main needle knitwise off of our main needle. Step two, we'll do the same thing with the next stitch. Step three, we're going to transfer both stitches back to our main needle. And basically what we've done there is we've just turned the stitches around. Okay, step four, we're going to turn our work around, and we're going to bring our working needle over and insert it into these two stitches on the front of our main needle purlwise, going through both stitches together, and then we can bring the needle back around to the front. So now you can see we're facing purlwise. We've gone through the back loops. Okay, step five, we're going to wrap our yarn over our needle and pull it through both stitches. Step six, we're going to pull both stitches off of our main needle. Okay, let's do that one more time just for an example. So we're going to slip, we're going to do those both knitwise, transfer them back, bring our working needle around and insert it purlwise into both stitches from the back loop, and then purl them together and pull them off the stitch. Okay, so that's how you knit the slip purl through the back loop decrease.
If you found this video useful, click the like button right below the video. You'll also be able to share it with your friends on Facebook and on Twitter. And of course, you can always subscribe to our channel right above the video to get all of our latest updates. Want more New Stitch a Day? Check out our website at newstitchaday.com. New Stitch a Day is a Craftery Media production. This video is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution No Derivatives 3.0 unported license, which means use it on your website, put it in your patterns, but please don't change anything.